Hello, are you wondering how to manually install WordPress plugins? Then wonder no more. We have found 3 methods for doing just that. In this video, we will show you the beginner-friendly method first. Step 1. Go to the plugin page of the plugin you want to install. Now it may be the official WordPress.org page, a GitHub repository, or any other third-party website. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the Gutenberg plugin as an example. Step 2. Download the plugin file from your preferred source. Step 3. When the download is complete, go to the plugins page of your WordPress dashboard. Step 4. From the pop-out menu, click on Add New. Then click on the Upload Plugin button and upload the plugin file. Step 5. When the plugin is uploaded, click on the Install Now button to install. Step 6. When the installation is complete, you will see this text. Click on the Activate Plugin button and you are done. You can see the Gutenberg plugin we just manually installed. See, in just 6 easy and simple steps, you can install any WordPress plugin manually without losing your hair. In our next video, we will show you how you can install a WordPress plugin manually using an FTP server. Have fun learning with us. And if you find this video useful, then please like this video, subscribe and share.